What's up, YouTube? So, y'all wanted to see my 6-month update. I'm a little sick. My nose is all stuffy, and I just woke up, so don't judge me. But I just washed my hair, so I guess we're both getting a review.
Cloud.
All right.
Beats.
This is what I'm looking like right now. Okay. This is my 6-month fro. You get me? You see it? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna put pictures in to like compare. But I don't think the back's really like that much longer than it was. It's down in there now. And you'll see how long it is because I'm gonna blow dry it. Because since y'all wanted me to do this wig demo, I'm gonna have to. Oh, look, it hits my chin now. Oh my god, I'm about to have a bob. I can't wait to straighten my hair. Since y'all want to see this wig demo. Oh, it comes to my nose now. It used to be up here. The middle is like really. Just the fro itself is way bigger than it was. Y'all see this? Alright, let's hop into this wig demo, and I'm gonna put some pictures of my 6-month update, a little journey video, little journey video in between. So every time I've worn a wig, I've blow dried my hair, which I'm doing right now. Do y'all see how long my fro is getting? Yo. So excited. Over these last like 3 months, I've been having my hair blow dried and braided up underneath wigs, so yeah. Okay. I'm done. Y'all see it? The big old fro. Yo, I'm gonna insert a video of my like how big my blow dried fro used to be. Bomb. Okay. This is my big chop little fro. So I'm like a week in from 6 months. No, 10 days actually, because it was the 18th. So keep that in mind. But I doubt that little centimeter is gonna make a difference. So I'm about to get my mom to braid my hair up so I can do this wig thing for y'all. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back with the Cleos. Okay. I'm about to do a voiceover because I don't feel like talking no more. So this is the wig. I'm gonna put all the details about it in the description box because I personally don't feel like saying it because I'm lazy. So yeah, I just take my Got2b and I put it all around my edges, and then I usually just put my little wig cap on and to keep them in place, and then I'll just take more of it and go about a normal wig routine and just glue on the lace. I guess I was having a good day, but let's ignore me. So yeah, I just popped the wig on. I always say that. I popped the wig on. Whatever. That's how I talk. And it's wet right now because I didn't like it and I was like cleaning out all the product gunk. So it is wet on my head right now in this video. But yeah, after I do that, I put it on and I just get the whole perimeter, like the part around my face, out of my way so that none of the like Got2b gets on it. And I just go around my hairline, you know, let that dry, and then I use the freeze spray that around my perimeter, and then I let that set, and then I'll just lay the wig on my head after I blow dried it for like 10 seconds. So once it gets tacky, I'll actually put
the wig on my head, and this is me just laying it down. And I use a comb because, you know, the stuff about the fingers and the oils and the blah 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 blah. So now I'm about to just lay my baby hairs, and they're a little long, but I laid them anyway because I didn't have time to fix them. I'm so horrible at making baby hairs.
Alright, so I forgot my music on. Well, can't find a remote. So listen, put my scarf on, set my stuff. I'm gonna get dressed because I did start class at Temple, so I have a class at 2 o'clock. And I got like an hour and a half, so I'll be back.
So now that I'm dressed and the wig is settled, I'm gonna take my scarf off and I'll just fix it up. Like I take an alcohol pad and I just wipe all the extra, like, you know, like that crusty line of like the glue that wasn't touched on your hairline. I wipe that off. And I'll just take my concealer and, you know, fill in my parts and stuff. I just use the Revlon Color Stay Concealer. But yeah, that's really basically it. I really don't do much with my wigs besides brush them out once they're on my head. So yeah, hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Let me know what you want to see.